In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Xfinity router blinking blue. Step 1. Restart the device. If the WPS button method doesn't work, restart your Xfinity modem or router. Disconnect the device from its power source and wait for 15 seconds, and then reconnect the device and wait for it to fully boot up after reconnecting any devices. 2. Double-check connections. Unplug the power from your gateway. If applicable, remove coaxial or Ethernet cables from the back of your Xfinity device. Wait a few seconds, then plug the cables back in. And check if the blue light has turned to white. If not, proceed to the next step, which is 3. Reset to default settings. Reset your Xfinity device to factory settings by pressing and holding the reset button for around 10 seconds. This will erase any customized settings, so make sure to back up your configurations beforehand. Wait for a few minutes after the reset to see if the blinking light stops. 4. Contact Xfinity's support team. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Xfinity's customer service. Contact them via their website or call 1-800-XFinity. A technician may need to visit your home for further investigating and resolving the issue. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.